Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to PyDevelopers, a new Instagram page dedicated to teaching beginners about Python programming. As of today, December 24, 2023, I am excited to embark on this journey with you. My primary goal is to assist beginners in mastering Python through personalized one-on-one doubt clearance sessions. Additionally, I offer guidance on custom projects, helping you navigate through challenging aspects of Python coding. This resource is designed to be immensely beneficial for senior secondary and engineering students alike. I am committed to uploading videos once every 7 days. The content of these videos will showcase codes developed by our experienced team, and importantly, the corresponding source codes will be provided for free. I earnestly request your support, as all available features on our page are offered entirely free of charge. Join me in making PyDevelopers a valuable resource for Python enthusiasts at all levels. Thank you for your support.